You have to remember ancient history, five most important topics. First one, we'll start with the Harappan age, Vedic age, post-Vedic age, rise of the Mahajanpadas, then the Mauryan age, few smaller kingdoms in between, Gupta age and the age of Harsha. Roughly we divided it to 8. Most of the questions in the pre, let's talk about pre, first qualify pre, then qualify something else. Okay, आगे का दिख नहीं रहा है, वर्ल्ड देखना है. First of all, you have to see the prelims. Prelims point of view, Buddhism, Jainism, they ask questions from this particular segment almost every year. You can see the previous year's question. We will be discussing previous year questions. I'll be teaching you from the pre as well as mains perspective. Mains perspective, again, Buddhism and Jainism, very important. Ancient history is mostly about the rise of religions. Vedic age is very important. You have to understand the differences between Vedic age and post-Vedic age. Vedic age means what? It's a way of living your life. As simple as that. It's a rule book. What time you should wake up. Okay. What kind of food you should eat. You should be eating with your fingers. That's Vedic only. Because these all 5 fingers are 5 elements. So you are satisfying all the 5 elements. That's the logic behind it. How to lead your life beautifully. That's all Vedas teaches. Okay. And after that, inscriptions are also very important, especially of Gautami Putra Satakarni, because he introduced Brahmanical culture in the south, in the Deccan. Deccan, which area is known as Deccan? Deccan Plateau is Deccan. So he introduced the Brahmanical culture. So that is why his inscriptions are also very important. So I'm just giving you a rough, this is our introductory class. So it's like a rough analogy of how will we proceed. So first of all, we will not go, this is purely anthropology, let me tell you. If you are going for history optionals, then this is great for you. At least 120 marks question are from prehistory, if you're going for history optionals. If you're going simply with other optionals and you have to proceed for the prelims as well as mains, you have to start off with the Harappan period.